What's up, guys? You're joining me in the beautiful city of Munich or Munchen, depending on where you are in the world. And right here we have a proper Bavarian machine. It's actually made not so far away from here, which is the craziest thing ever. This is the 2025 BMW G80 M3, finished in this beautiful color, man. Look at this thing. And specifically, this one is from Switzerland, and we just so happened to bump into it yesterday. And then the owner was so kind and very cool to say, hey man, do you want to shoot this thing tomorrow? And we're like, man, of course. Of course I want to shoot a BMW M3 here in Munich. Okay, so let's have a quick look inside. This has the optional bucket seats. If you're getting a G80 or a G82, man, you have to get the seats. They may not be the most comfortable, but they definitely are a looker, and you always need these for how good this car handles and to get all the benefits of the handling or being able to say get around corners as fast as you need or can. Carbon fiber, white. Ah, I'm such a big fan of this car. And obviously, because the 2025, it has the snake eyes and the flat bottom steering wheel. This is a good option actually. It doesn't have the Alcantara wheel, but the normal one. But I think in terms of aging, this one ends up being the better option. Sitting here, I must say it's a bit of a an interesting position to be in, especially the like how tight they hold you, and also this thing here. I don't know what they call it among the M community, but it's very interesting just to have it here. So I think you guys have seen this car, man. It's on our floor, and if you want to see the G80 M3, you can go to the nearest BMW, check it out, and all those things. But seeing one that is left-hand drive, a Swiss plate in Munich, something special, man. Something special. Added in one of my videos that I just got the RS3, but this would definitely be a replacement, or maybe the car that I get next, because it's something else, bro. It's something else. I don't know if you guys have experienced this car, and like just how this current one is set up. It's just really interesting because it's so lower to the ground. It's basically the same formula that I have on my RS3, lowering springs and spacers. Didn't hear that from me. Yeah. Okay, so these are the bucket seats, the optional bucket seats that you get on the G80 or the G82. I won't lie, it's a bit of a challenge to get in here because like of the bolsters, so you need to make sure that you kind of like jump out like this. And yeah, that's how the seats look. And in terms of looks, guys, like we know this car, this is the M3, and it's a 3 Series. Like everything about it, it's the same stuff you get on the normal 3 Series. The comfort, how big and spacious it is, that much is guaranteed. But currently we're just appreciating this car. That's literally all we're doing, and just the location of where we're actually doing this is the special thing about that. But yeah, shout out to the guys for coming out this late. Actually, apparently he needs to drive home tomorrow morning, which is like maybe like in the AMs, and currently it's like 1 a.m. He still came, so big shout out to him, man. Okay, so the party trick on this car is there's a lot of things. Obviously, you've seen the seats now, but when you go back, you have them in this format, which is like the full exposed carbon fiber. And obviously, this has been on the previous M3 as well, the F80, but it's the you can kind of like tickle or have an interesting moment with your passenger over there. But yeah, this is the back view of the G80 M3, and I'm not gonna lie, it's such a special place to be in because this car, yes, it's a super sport sedan, but it actually has a lot of space back here. And obviously when you're driving this car, that's not like something you're like thinking about. So yeah, guys, this is the car. Right hand drive, left hand drive, G80 M3 2025 from Switzerland in Munich, where it was made and designed and produced. So yeah, but the seats, man. Louisiana shit. Murder Okay guys, so we are back from the night POV. It's not really much of a night POV, but yeah, unfortunately I cannot drive here in Germany, so we are in the driver's seat of the G80, and yeah man, it's very cool. So unfortunately, you know, like these guys in like Switzerland, they can't really make their exhaust as loud as they want, you know how the EU is and with their regulations, but either way, stock, it sounds really nice. But I'm sure there's other things you can do as well to the car. Currently S plus, Sport plus. So yeah. No, all the way straight. Sorry.
Straight.
Yeah, all the way straight.
And here.
Yeah, in front. There's a LaFerrari here, man. Crazy.
Yes, that's LaFerrari. I am only 18 years old.
Really?
Yes.
Crazy, dog. That's really crazy, man.
Thank you.
Ah, nice. Is it your first car?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's very nice car because you can drive it sport and you can drive it
Normally, yeah.
Yes,
It's very comfortable.
Comfort, yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so the cars are leaving now. Okay guys, so that was really interesting, man. That was really interesting. What a bunch of cool gents. You know, I think we may speak different languages, but as car guys, I think our love for cars just bring us all together. So that was really cool. I think I'm gonna go back and sleep now. It's late, it's 2 a.m.
Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck up good in a pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out there, gun in the mud. Yeah, look at it glitzy, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, you pink and green. Fuck on the naked, bust on the spleen. Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a plug, keep a trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you druggos, I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't gotta see. Feeling the roof, and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need.
And I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Helping the P out, some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up the right, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Say nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be young, come and swallow. Told my little brother we pulling up spanking these niggas that thinkin' we hoes. Don't do no explaining, don't know what you thinkin', but you help a young nigga grow. You add up the two wings up for my fingers, I pay like 600 a month. Give out so many bands, about so many bangers, you asking the real niggas know. I been putting that shit on, showing these boy how to dress and get fresh and pull up with the hoes. Don't care about no nigga been sending me threats on the west side.